Oh, guess what? Gelatin thickens up. Don't use gelatin. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that I really had so much fun doing. We're going to make some textured paints using things that you probably have at home. So this is one that I made. The pieces are falling off. But here's one that I made. I'm going to show you how we did it. So I took some sand. I have some paint in these bowls right here. Remember to cover your station so you don't make a big mess, because this one's going to be a little bit messy. This is sand that I took out of our sand wagon. So I'm going to use the sand in the red to thicken that paint and give it some texture. And then, you know how we like to use eggshells for eggshell mosaics? I took some and I smashed them.
Ooh, that's kind of fun.
I know, it was very fun. Made sort of a little bit of eggshell dust. I'm going to mix that into this turquoise color. And then, what else do we have? In my closet, in our pantry, I found some spelt flour that I'm sure I needed for something really important that I never made. And now it's really old, so I'm going to use that in here. So if you're taking something from your pantry, please ask your parents' permission first, okay? Because we don't want anyone getting in trouble. Okay, so now I've mixed all these paints in with the thickeners. Oh, that last one was gelatin. Again, I had old gelatin in my pantry. I should really clean out my pantry more often. Okay, now I'm going to paint on this paper. This time I thought maybe I'd do more of an abstract painting. So I'm just going to paint some shapes. So this is the eggshell. And if you can see
chunks?
Yeah, there are chunks in there. This is the one with sand. So you can see the sand. Oh, the sand really shows up in this. It's just so fun to do, like, try out new ways to do things. This one is...
Ooh, that one's kind of...
Oh, this is the spelt. Yeah, this is the spelt. So spelt is a kind of flower. Where does it even come from? Do we know?
I think it's spelt. It's an ancient grain. It's like...
Oh, it is actually spelt.
It's a complete protein. It's really good for you.
Oh, I don't know why I bought it. I was probably making bread. The last one we're going to do is the gelatin. We'll see how the gelatin... Oh, guess what? Gelatin thickens up. Don't use gelatin.
Or use it quickly.
Yeah. It is like Jell-O in here, and that Jell-O doesn't really paint all that well.
I wonder if you put a little water with your Jell-O, it would work.
Oh, whoops, and I broke a paintbrush too. Darn. Okay, I'm going to get a different paintbrush out. Sometimes it's the process. It doesn't really matter what it turns out to be. Sometimes it's just fun to try things out. You could use, kind of whatever you want. So so you can see that there's some texture here. We'll see what it looks like when it's all dry. This is what my original one looked like. This is what I did on my kitchen table. Yeah, I really like sand painting. That's fun. Okay, thanks everybody for coming to visit. We'll see you soon. All right, bye.
Bye, friends.